Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Deco Mini 4 device, and here I have XP Pen graphic tablet. So now I will unbox this device. I will tell you something about this device, and I will show you what we have in the box with this device. So as you can see, here I have a used graphic tablet. The price of this graphic tablet, of this new graphic tablet is $100, and I have bought it cheapest than $100, as you can see. And one of the features of this tablet, so these tablets are durable. So all you can damage here is buttons and USB charging port, but it's so it's not too easy to damage the buttons or USB port. Of course, here we have USB-C port. So let's check the specification of this tablet. So here we have specification for middle range tablets, for middle budget tablets. So here we have, as you can see, 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. So this is the specification for middle tablets, because in beginner and tri-level tablets we have from 1024 to 2038 levels, but here we have really middle range levels, and it's really great. The resolution of this tablet is 5080 LPI, and it's really great resolution, because in mid-range tablets we have resolution around from 4000 to 6000 LPI, and here we have 5000, and it's mid-range tablet. Okay, report rate it's like a pin, but between your tablet and your computer, not without the internet connection. So it's like a sensitivity, but your reaction. So when you draw in on your tablet and you see it on your computer, so it's latency between you writing and seeing on your computer. So 220 RPS is normal for mid-range tablets and for professional tablets too, but for in professional types of tablets sometimes you have better report rates, so higher report rate. Okay, and of course compatibility. So you can use this tablet with Mac devices, with Windows devices, and of course with Android devices. So as you can see, compatibility is really great. Unfortunately, you can't use it with iOS devices, because you have no application that supports XP Pen tablets, but maybe sometimes it will change. So now we can't use it only with iOS devices, but you can use it with iPadOS devices. So it's you need to know about it. And the price is $110 for new device, but you can both the used device, and in this way you will both really cheap device with really great specifications. So let's unbox it. As you can see, here we have the XP Pen device. As you can see, this device is used, so here we have the glance matrix, but it will not damage the image we will draw or something else. And what we have in the complete, so here we have the pen is the steels, and we need to know about one thing, why this device is really great. Because these steels is not chargeable, so we don't need to change the batteries in these steels. We have here only 2 buttons, and these I don't know how to name it. We have this part, changeable part. As you can see here, we have these changeable parts. So sometimes, of course, you need to change it because you are drawing using plastic pen or plastic tablet, and you need to change it from time to time. So you don't need to change the batteries in this tablet. So it's really great. Here we have the cable, USB cable. As you can see here, we have USB-C cable to USB for your PC device. But if you have the old Android device or Mac device, so you can you have here the switcher or adapter. I don't know how to call it. So as you can see here, we have the adapter, so we can easily use it with Mac devices from the box or with old Android devices. So I don't know who using micro USB in our times, but you can if you want. And I don't know why, but we have the ring here. Maybe it's for cable, but no, I don't know why we need it. And so great. As you can see here, we have really great setup for this tablet. As you can see here in the tablet, we have the resolution of our drawing panel. So the drawing panel is not too big, as you can see, and I hope we can use it with not mouse mode. So not mouse mode or with mouse mode. So when we have mouse mode, our screen is our entire screen. So yeah, I hope we can use it without mouse mode, because with mouse mode, small tablet is not too handy to use. So I hope we can set up it to drawing mode, not mouse mode, and in this way we will use it to draw, and it's really great. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Now I will try this device and I will record several tutorials how to install drivers, how to connect to other devices, how to use it, how to set up it. So just check the playlist with this device on our channel, and see you. Bye.